Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use DreamGF AI app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Dream Girlfriend is an app that uses AI to create virtual companions or girlfriends for users. Users can design their ideal girlfriend by choosing from a range of physical attributes such as age, ethnicity, and hair length, as well as a smaller set of personality attributes. The app is available 24/7 and users can message their girlfriends whenever they want. As the relationship deepens, users can unlock exclusive and intimate content, and the interaction becomes more personal and meaningful over time. Creating an account on DreamGF is fast and easy. Press on the free trial button, you will sign a pop-up. You can sign up directly with Google or Patreon, which will automatically create an account for you. If you wish to register with email, just type your email and you will receive your password with which you can log in. Creating an AI girlfriend is simple. Just go to AI girlfriend generator and select your girlfriend's appearance according to your taste. After choosing your AI girlfriend features, you can press generate. All AI girlfriends are generated in real time and you will need to wait up to 1 minute to see yours. Once you have crafted the perfect visual representation, you can dive deeper into her personality. Set up unique traits and characteristics, allowing you to engage in captivating conversations with your tailored companion. You can also generate additional photos of her, exploring different looks and styles. And the best part is, you can have the real conversations with her. She is here to listen, support, and engage with you just like a real partner. If you need a photo on the spot, simply ask for a picture in the chat, and your AI girlfriend will send you a photo in real time. DreamGF offers different pricing plans to cater to varying needs and preferences. The Bronze plan costs $9.99 per month. Silver costs $19.99 per month. The Gold plan costs $49.99 per month, and the Diamond plan costs $99.99 per month. Each plan provides a different level of access and features within the DreamGF platform. And that's pretty much all about how you can use DreamGF AI app.